Another feature that we have is the community board section in the LIMS application. It's a great way for students and faculty members to communicate more effectively. Not only that, but medical schools can also use it to share important information with everyone. Each user can even customize their board based on specific topics they are interested in. And get this, the administrators can use the community board to gather data from surveys about your health and academics. This helps us keep track of the well-being of students and make sure they are doing okay. The community board gives all users access to some excellent tools that help them track and improve wellness, connect with other users, and analyze survey data. The wellness tool is especially helpful for tracking a student's sleep, exercise, weight, and mindset. Students can even integrate their fitness data to see how they are doing compared to others in the community. Plus, if you ever need help or support, the app will notify professionals who can assist you. The feed section is a great way to engage with other users, share your thoughts, content, and files, and report any inappropriate content. Finally, the survey tool is perfect for importing and analyzing survey data from third-party tools. It is available to administrators and faculty so they can get even more insights into the activities around the campus.